Hi guys, sorry again. Right, so this is actually, I've just found out, if you just get your nail, because, well, I haven't cut mine yet, you can actually just do it with your nail, because they're just stuck on with, hold on, see if I can get this for you. They're stuck on with glue, like that, so you can just pull it off, now, with your fingers, like that. So that is now the next one. Okay, and then the other one, which will be stuck on by glue, is this one here. So again, I'm gonna take my nail, fingers, whatever you want to say, just gently take it off like so, but be very careful because this one isn't as well supported as the other one, because it's only very small, so you got to be really careful. And then the last one is this one, and you can just literally, it's like a bit of rubber, and you can just, I'd use your pry open tool for this. Sorry guys, my camera's just literally fallen off of its stand. But yeah, anyways, you can just pry it open like that, like so, like that, and it's done. Right, okay, so now so if you're looking at the phone like that, you got that in the top right hand corner. Well, it's left, but it would be top right there, but now it's top left. And then this is like a little tab, so you can just, you see there, if you can, hold on, just get a bit closer, you can see there's another ribbon cable attached there, so you need to go to the other side where that one was, the big one, and you just need to simply open the phone like that, and you need to pry open that one there. Show you guys. So like that, and you open it, and you pry that one there open. It will just be a pop connector. Like that. Can you see that? So now the logic board, motherboard, whatever you want to call it, will simply just be able to come away. And then what you need to do now, well, I've got bits and pieces falling all over the place. That's the home button, literally. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to get the digitizer off, because I bought my digitizer off of eBay. It came from Hong Kong, so it took like a few days to get here. It's May the 5th, May the 5th or 6th, and I ordered this 26th of April, so it took quite a long time to go, but long time to come, but it cost me £9. It came with that, came with these, but these are useless. They did not help me one tiny little bit. This did, so I'd get it. Right, okay, so now what you need to do, now the hard part's over, because doing all that was pretty hard. Now what you need to do is you have that ribbon cable there. Wait, hold on. You just like have to pry the side. There's like a very fine line there, and you have to just literally pry it up. So yeah. Right, hi guys, sorry about that. What you need to do is to get the front digitizer off of the screen. Well, first you need to, there's like a little ribbon connector there, and there'll be like a black bit just there, and you just pop it up. I've already done this, but you just pop it up, dead easy, and then the ribbon cable comes loose. And then to separate the digitizer from the actual phone, you need to use a hairdryer really close to the screen, so about that close, but you have to be really careful of the LCD screen. Sorry about the noise, it's just my baby sister, don't worry about it. So what you have to do is, you'll see there, because this can be quite time consuming to do, so I stopped the video myself and did it, because it's all around here. It's stuck with adhesive glue, as you can see, and it is quite hard. It took me about 10 minutes to do. So now you just pull that through there like that, and then there's the LCD screen. So if you wanted to replace that screen, you would have to take out the screen, so you can just do it like that, and then yeah, so you can just like see it like that basically. And then before replacing the actual like digitizer, like putting the new one back on, because that's obviously this cracked one, you'd need to use this special spray like to clean it, because I got a few fingerprints on it and a bit of glue there where it is. And so the glue, I mean the spray is it's like a professional spray, and it just cleans the screen like really nice. So yeah, I'll just get that. Just hold on 2 seconds, guys. Can't find it. Hold on. Sorry guys, I found the screen cleaner now. It's called Touch Screen Clean. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's clean with a K, and comes with this special cloth. It's like that, and then like that on the other side. So what you need to do is, you need to spray the spray on the cloth on that bit, because that's like the most softest bit, so it won't damage the screen. So wait, like so, and then you have to, well, obviously get the phone, and then just be really gentle with it, so like that. Yeah, it does look smeary now, but it does really work really well. See, it's getting the glue off now. It does take quite a few, obviously, minutes. You can just fast forward this in the video, because it's quite boring. So don't apply much pressure, and yeah. Okay guys, so I've cleaned the LCD screen. I put too much spray on, so I just used a bit of a tissue, like kitchen towel or whatever, just to clean it, just to get the smudges out, because I put too much on obviously. And then you just like put the ribbon cable through that hole there, from the new digitizer, and then you just literally place it on, and then as you can see, that looks really good. And then you just reheat it up with the hairdryer, or like a heat gun if you have one of them, and then because there's already glue on there, so it just reseals it. And all it is now is just a case of putting the phone back together, going through the steps of how you took the ribbon cables off. You just place them back on like that, like you took them off. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will show another video of the phone working and how to unlock the phone via the software, and how to root it as well, so you get all your apps for free. So yeah, thanks guys, please like and subscribe to the video. Hi guys, this is the phone actually full on working. Everything works, the screen works, the buttons work and all that works and everything. So that is how easy it is to fix a Samsung Galaxy Ace digitizer and even LCD. So yeah, I'll just show you. Yep, so that's locked, and then unlock, wait, and then if you want to turn it off, like that, and there we go. Thanks guys, and please like and subscribe the video.